Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Somebody sent me this yin yang and they can't find a good version to trace. And through my years of doing videos, I've probably done this before, but it's been so long and it just doesn't trace. This is probably the easiest thing to draw that you've ever drawn. We just need to stay symmetrical. Let's make our circle 6 inches. Okay. We're going to take another ellipse 3 inches. I'm going to hit P, put it in the center of the page. I'm going to take both of them, put P, center of the page. Let me bring this in so we can still see it. Now let's select both these and hit T like in top. I didn't select them both. Let's select that one and Control D it. I'm using somebody else's. That's why I have mine set on 0, 0. Control D to duplicate. Hold down the shift and select the big one and hit B like bottom. That's all there's to it. Now, before you cut this away, you're going to want to make your circles inside, whatever size you want to do, because these ellipses, it'll snap to the center of it. Hit the plus key, go down, it'll snap to the center. Now just take your virtual segment delete key and delete this side and that side. And you have a yin yang. Let's use something other than, well, I'm just going to use black. And then I'm going to go ahead and put white, and then we'll put a red background on it. And depending whether the person wants an outline, and depending if they're printing this or what they're doing with it, let's make the outline, let's just make it yellow. Object, order, backup page. There is you a perfect yin yang that you would probably never find one to that would trace good. I normally look, but I didn't look this time. Anyway, hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.